What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. Now that's what I say. Another day, another dollar. We're out here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win.
Anyways, we'll flick right into the video. So today we are do some Jamaican jerk chicken. So as you can see, we got the jerk pan. Light up the coal and thing already. So light up the coal. We get the chicken. Well, if you guys are Jamaican or you hear about Jamaican food, the first thing you hear about that jerk chicken. So we just are showing how we get the jerk chicken done. So have make sure so the jerk pan warm. Then we just put on the jerk chicken and the jerk pan. So note to self, jerk chicken and when I use the fire to jerk the chicken, it's mostly the smoke we use to jerk the chicken. So the less fire in the jerk pan, the better your jerk chicken taste you get. Because of the smoke you want to use. So that is where most people go wrong. Them feel like jerk chicken supposed to have a lot of fire and like no. Less fire, more smoke. It would have even better if while jerking the chicken you use, for instance, you can use, we have two options. You can either use the beer. So what I do is mix the beer in a bottle. Would I mix the beer in a bottle with little ketchup and would I spray over the chicken just to get back that smoke flavor in the chicken. Or if you are prepared for children, we use the champagne soda. So each time we spray in the jerk pan, it will cause the coal for damp, so it will smoke up. So all of that flavor, the flavor of the beer and the ketchup and lick up and pepper, cause jerk chicken supposed to have a lot of pepper. So alright, well, as a youth growing up, what I get for understand is that most people will say Portland is the capital of jerk. You have a place in Portland called Boston Jerk Chicken all day. And then you have a place in St. Thomas called Yallas Jerk Chicken all day. So this is how the jerk chicken look. We did not prepare much, probably say about 2 chicken. So as you can see, we cover with jerk chicken, and it's like would I check it back like every 10 minutes or less and spin. So each time I check it back, you're gonna turn it over. Because remember, smoke, we don't want it to burn. So each time we're gonna check it and turn it over. Alright. We can even use pimento wood inside the jerk pan to get that pimento jerk taste. Now we're just doing normal jerk. So we just turn the chicken. Then we're gonna cover back with jerk pan. Alright. With You have to always check under the jerk pan. So the coal is supposed to scatter out just to get that smoke all over inside of the jerk pan. Forget that smoke everywhere in the jerk pan. So jerk chicken, we serve jerk chicken also as appetizer. Alright. If we had the jerk chicken as appetizer now, we would have turn it in a barbecue jerk. Chop it up. Now we're gonna turn back the chicken again. So as I tell you, each time we're just on turn. I've check it like every 15 minutes. So this would be like after 30. Then we're gonna cover it back and let it smoke for another 35. What we normally do is that we're gonna put the chicken inside. And we don't want the chicken. And for all the prayer warriors, I ask them to send some prayer my way. They telling them that I do a Q&A, but grandmother sick, so I ask them to send some prayer my way. Please and thanks. So the Q&A I go pass till another time.